Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that IO.net token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, IO.net IO is a decentralized physical infrastructure network deepin that aggregates underutilized GPU computing power from global sources to provide affordable on-demand processing for artificial intelligence and machine learning workloads. Solves as a critical bottleneck. It addresses the high cost, limited availability, and poor choice of GPUs from traditional cloud providers like AWS and Azure for AI developers. Built as a deep pin on Solana, the network pulls hardware from independent data centers, crypto miners, and other networks into a permissionless decentralized cloud cluster. Powered by the IO token, the native IO coin is used to pay for compute resources, reward hardware suppliers, and govern the ecosystem, aiming to become the currency of compute. IO.net project institution rating is 4.3. IO.net token total supply is 800 million and circulating supply is around 330.545 million IO token. IO token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.